Welcome back to Bennett's Adventures. Today, Bennett is visiting the incredible Amazon spheres in Seattle. We start by snapping a photo in front of the stunning glass domes, then enjoy a banana from the community banana stand to kick off the day. Inside the spheres, we're transported into a living rainforest. Bennett spots cacao pods growing on the cacao tree and learns how they're used to make chocolate. We also stop to chat with an Amazon worker who shares some fun facts about coffee. Did you know coffee beans are actually the seeds of bright red coffee cherries? Bennett is fascinated by the toothbrush orchid with its tiny, unique flowers and loves exploring the towering ferns, vibrant orchids, and the massive living wall filled with plants. With colorful tropical fish and frogs adding to the adventure, it's a day full of learning and fun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to join Bennett on more exciting adventures. Oh, you want your banana, Bennett?
Oh, there's banana. There's a banana again. Yay. Let's go have some banana, Bennett.
You want a ginger? Oh.
No music this time. No singing this time.
Say thank you.
Yeah.
You want to sit right here is dry.
Wow. It's like a big boy, Bennett.
Don't go down here. And
Don't fall down there, Bennett. Are you trying to clean up?
Let's go back to the plant area.
Good job cleaning up, Bennett.
yeah. We did buy a banana with it. The banana stand, yeah. We pick a banana with
That
it.
is the banana stand.
Are you happy we got the banana again? But no music this time. This is a different lady. This one doesn't sing and dance and no music. A yellow banana.
Bananas cold, isn't it?
Hi there. Hello.
Yep.
Thank you. Hey.
And you want to do the inner loop, Bennett? Here. We'll do the inner loop and then we can, there's 2 loops here. One inner loop and outer loop. So we'll start going.
Okay, Bennett, go up.
Can you read what kind of plant this is? Fishbone. Because you see how that pattern, it's like a fishbone, the dark, no touching on it. The dark and light is like a fishbone pattern. That's probably where it got its name.
Yes, fishbone, Bennett.
Another fern, a lily. Somewhere in there's a fig tree, Bennett. Do we see the figs?
I will climb on what?
Let's come around the corner. Another palm. Lots of palm trees because Why is this? Oh, this one's called. That's an interesting name. Potato chip palm. Let's see. Do you think this looks like a potato? Is it this one, Bennett? Is it like the Ruffles? Is that like a Ruffles chip? Is that why they call it that? With all the little grooves in it?
Walking farm.
What else we got?
What that?
What's what?
What that?
Oh, it's giving mist because these plants need to stay moist. It's like they're rainforest plants. So the little system gives mist out.
Good question, Bennett. Good question. What's that? Bennett, read this.
This is called.
Bennett, can you read this? Can you read that, Bennett?
Oh, that one's got berries on it there. See the little berries there, Bennett? They're like reddish brown berries. What goes in the water? The rocks go in the water. The rocks go to the bridge. Watch your feet, folks. You can walk across the bridge. This is a mahogany tree. That's a wood. Like a lot of fancy wood is mahogany. It comes from this tree, Bennett. See, West Indian mahogany. Look up what color are those flowers there. They're purple, huh?
Bennett, where's your stem on your hand? Where's stem on the hand? Yay, that's like a spears. Spear. Got Amazon spears.
Okay, hold hands, Bennett.
It says, please watch your step. Be careful where you're walking.
Behind us.
This one says taffeta plant.
Where's the chocolate tree, Bennett? Show mommy.
Don't work here 2 times a month.
Show mommy the chocolate
Not
tree.
today and one other day.
Right here. Are we gonna show mommy the chocolate?
Oh, look at
pod?
that. I see that.
Yeah.
Wow.
The chocolate beans are inside that, huh? Cacao, yep. That's where the chocolate comes from, Bennett.
Fish?
Orange and black fish like a tiger, Bennett.
Bennett, Daddy talking to you.
You see the orange? Oh, no, the orange and black. Look down, look down.
You need to be watching out where you are.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go up. Okay, watch, hold hands, Bennett.
What are you doing? Yeah.
What lives in here?
There's one here.
And there's one there. He said one there, Bennett. Do you see anything?
Yeah.
I don't see anything. Are you looking?
Yeah.
I don't see anything. I'm sorry.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Oh,
You see it?
you see something? Oh, I do see it a little bit.
It's come right in the corner there. Right in the corner. Then it go all the way.
Where it jumped away.
Oh, it jumped. Okay.
It jumped off. It jumped off.
More than it. Let's look closely. We have to look closely. There's one in between the leaves. It's orange and black. There's some ingredients on it, but we don't eat a lot of it. It's a spice. We just sprinkle it on our food for a little spice. You know what I'm talking about? Black pepper. That's right. We take.
That is one of the most grown coffee plants for our supply. Fun fact about the Arabica, it's not the most resilient plant, so it actually might go extinct not too far from the future. So we might have to choose Robusta or Salted or something like that. But an American drinks about 3 cups of coffee per day, so you need about 25 of those trees per person per year. Yeah.
Wow.
What are you doing?
That's a lot of trees to make coffee.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
lots of coffee.
But for an average person, it's 30. For you, it's like 200. Coffee. What is the coffee? I don't see coffee.
Oh, I see
don't
the little
beans.
beans. I see the beans. Bennett.
Oh,
You see
yeah,
the little
yeah, I
red
do see
things?
that,
You see
yes.
the little red things, Bennett, are the coffee beans on the tree.
Gotta check this one out. It said toothbrush orchid. That's so cool, honey.
You should smell this one.
Oh, it does smell?
I would recommend touching the plants.
Oh,
but
okay. Just it smells like toothpaste. Just kidding. It smells it, then it smell it.
It smells like toothpaste.
It just smells like toothpaste. No touching. Smell like cinnamon or something. What does it smell like? No touch, Bennett. They
It's
said.
called a flamethrower palm because whenever a new leaf comes out,
Right.
it's bright orange or bright red. So it looks like when you're in the forest and you look up, sometimes it looks like it's a flame coming.
So where's it gonna happen?
It turns green.
Where's it gonna
Yes.
happen?
I want to say within the next month or two.
Where?
Yeah, because there's one that large spike that's coming out. It's like good news.
Orange flowers and ginger. There's short-lived ginger, Bennett. Bennett said that.
Chinese rice flowers.
Yeah.
Bennett, where is fern? Bennett, remember the fern? Where's the fern? Where is the fern, Bennett?
Oh yeah.
Bennett, put your pocket in. Put your pants up. Put your pockets in.
Put your hole in the book. Hole in the book.
Yellow and green, lemon and lime, right? I bet that's where it got its name.
And how about this with the fruit inside it?
Yeah, what's that? What's that fruity one? Is it this baby bean? I don't know if it's that or not.
Ben tree. Oh, it looks so pretty. Look at that.
Spider monkey tree fern.
Bennett, can you read that?
Flying spider monkey tree bird.
sounds like they turned the mist back on somewhere. You want to use elevator instead?
No.
Okay. Calm down.
You want to go to the bridge, Bennett? Get up.
Other little frogs and things living in those terrariums on the wall. Nope.
Wait, wait.
Let's look at the terrarium. Plants, but no, I don't see animals in this one, Bennett.
Now, here's what we can do.
And what does that say?
Bennett, can you read?
To the top floor. You want to go to the top floor now?
Yeah.
Get to draw here too.
Jumping in. Jumping in.
Do you
It's
want
a
to
big
draw here?
draw, Bennett.
Can you draw B for Bennett? Here. Draw B. B. Yeah. Okay. Bennett, sunroom or sky deck?
Sunroom. Okay, sunroom.
Walk slow, Bennett. Walk like a turtle.
Ta-da! Smile.
down right there. Don't fall down right there. Don't fall down right there. Don't fall down right
The fishy again, okay, Bennett? He wants to look at the fishy again.
Okay.
I just sit in a chair right now. And use the laptop. Yeah, I'm gonna have like a legit cool monitor and desk, everything. Yeah, so it'll be really nice. Exit on 2?
I said on 1. Did we hit 3? Yeah.
Which one would be for?
And draw B. That's not going to draw B. Okay, put it down. Now, medical emergency. There's a woman fell down the stairs. Oh no.
It's an emergency, Mom.
It's an emergency then. Oh. It's kind of cold. It's kind of warm.
Fish is still back there, hasn't moved. Take a picture, Bennett. So easily tricked.
So much fun. Put jacket on, Bennett.
Where's his jacket? Yep. That's a nice sphere. It's actually 3 spheres. And you notice that there's like 3 spheres that are together.
Bennett, say bye-bye, Spears.
Bye-bye, Spears.
See you later.